Okay, got that one welded in and ready to do this one. Let's give you a shot of what I'm doing. Show you how I do it, how I'm doing it. Don't know if it's right, but that's how I'm doing it. Yeah. See if that's enough. Shut the door. Yeah. A little bit more. Looks pretty good there. Anyways, the welder still sticking. The wire is getting caught up. I had to recut it, cut it off, and spool it back through the thing again. So I don't know what the heck's going on there yet. So anyway, I'm going to try to weld this up. It's quite wide there, but there's a little meat in behind it. So see if I can get this one. I took it off auto set. Got it set back to my own settings. Seems to work better there, so give her a shot on this one. This is actually looking a lot better. And I gotta open that door again. So not sparks all over everything. Oh. This is another shot. It goes there. Yeah, give me a shot. What I got? Yeah, too much happening in a little area here. Yeah, I'll shut this door up, see how this looks. Which, where are we here? Is a lot better. You could probably put some weld right there on the tip of that, because these edges are not very sharp, they're very rounded, and I want to try to get a little sharper edge, so that does look a lot better. Took some filling in there, but got it. So as you can see, this side turned out pretty good, and that looks a whole lot better than what we got over here. So this is what we started with on the other side. It's like, it's hard to get this. I can see it really well. It's really wide right here. That one's not going to be too bad. And I don't know if you can see that or not. There, you can see it. The gap's good, wide, and it gets pretty good right down in there. So I'm going to close that up, just like at the other side. That'll be done. Don't know if I'm doing it right, but it's getting done. Let's say, I said before, this is all new shit, but it's a learning experience. And see now here, I'm not working hard today. Actually, I'm going to be hardly working today. That's what I keep saying, but back up there. That other side, it is bad. There's stuff in there, I don't know what it is, fiberglass or all metal or bronze, everything. So we'll go around, show you what's there. We got metal, that black stuff, I don't know if it's fiberglass or that's all metal, but there's bronze sticking out in there, everything. I never got no more done. My only goal here is to try to get this a little better so than what it was, because it was really deep edge here. But I think that if I can move that around there now, so out there pretty good. So now I'm just going to take the 40 grit on the longboard, level this up, hammer that out, hammer that out, and put this nice skim coat all along there. That feels pretty good along there. I think it's not going to take too much to get that level. It's a little weird right there, but I think that's got to go in. That's got to come out. We'll figure that out. I don't know, today or tomorrow, sometime. So anyway, that's the deal on that. I'm not going any deeper. I'm scared of what I'm going to get into there, and well, it is what it is. Just trying to make her look a little straighter. I still got to knock those fenders down a little, not much, just a little bit. I'm hoping there's shims underneath the fenders right there or something. So that's all a result of somebody adding pieces in the tops of fenders. That almost looks like it's another fender cut off and welded on there. I didn't dig that one down, so but we'll get that down, get it halfway straight. So she's coming along. I get all these little things done, then I can get at that big panel there. And I still, like I said, not quite sure hung onto the inner wheel well on the other side. This one's still got some there attached to, so I'm all right there. It's just that other one, so we'll get her. Anyways, that's another quick video. I'm just gonna do the other two sides on the, or the corners, whatever those things are, and I'm going to go out and undercoat the truck because it is sunny out. It's windy, so that's good. Won't be breathing that undercoating shit. So anyways, I'll let you go here. We'll talk to you later. Take care. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll be watching yours later. Thanks. Take care. Bye.